Okay, so I'm about to embark on a little bit of a project here. What we have here is a skilsaw model 77G. Now these were specifically designed, I believe, to cut birds' mouths on rafters. What you do is you line up all your wood, you put a dado saw blade in this thing, and you would just let her eat. It's worm drive. Looks like it'll take about a 6-inch dado blade. The arbor size is 3/4. Yeah, 3/4. But yeah. So that'll be a little bit of work. It seems to be complete. I got this with a bunch of other tools. I didn't really think I'd ever get to it, but I got some time now, so I want to get it up and running again. Along with this guy, I also picked up, because if you want to restore one old tool, you should probably buy two. I also got this guy. Pretty nice. By pretty nice, I mean mostly complete. Model 77. Made in Chicago. Also looks pretty complete. This one's definitely older, I think. Although I'm not sure. If you know anything about the serial numbers and could help me date that, that would be very much appreciated. That one is 238371 X. 238371X. And this one 1478. Hard to tell. That's a 9-2. 12 amp. This one's 115 volt, the other one's 110 volt. This is also 12 amp. But yeah. You can't smell this case, but it's definitely got a little mildew in there, which might not be good, but we'll see. Who knows? Maybe I got two saws. Anyways, I know from experience, if you can have one, you might as well have two. And the fact that it's got its original case, it's still got all the writing on it. It's a little worse for wear, but should clean up nice. I'm not going to do a full resto. I'm just going to do a functional restoration. Take them apart, clean them, lube them. Try to replace anything that's broken. I noticed that the brushes on this are held in with tape, which I'll probably have to figure out how to fix. Make sure they're properly grounded and everything. And yeah. That'll be pretty badass.